So I'm busy with that. Then I've done the roof. As you can see there, this side I put on, and I'm busy putting on this side also. So this roof is on. I'll show you at the back there now, that roof there and all the other things. I've taken out the seat box also because I'm painting here at the back, and I'm painting underneath the seat box as well. As you can see, the downsides here is also on. I've put the sides on here, and here's the other sides. So this roof is almost on its place, the small Land Rover roof inside. Here's the center I'm going to paint also. Here's my seat box, also busy painting it, as you can see here. So I've also been working on the hinges here of the back door and the frame, as you can see there. So it's coming inside of this frame here. Don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's going to come here at the back. So let me know what you guys think about it so far, and stay tuned.